Okay, let's unbox this brother Serger 1034DX. Here we go. Let's see what's in this box. Our list and instructions. Looks like a part to the arm. It's nicely packed, nice and protected. Okay, our pressure foot, which now since I got a few babies, I have to label everything to make sure that I attach everything the right way. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, styrofoam. Whoa, she's in there packed real nice, already threaded. Hallelujah. All right, next time you see me, I'll have it out totally and we will figure out what we're gonna do. All righty, this is my brother DX. Well, excuse me, my brother 1034DX coming out the box and it's gonna spill some diversity. Okay, she's out of the box and on her cart. Right next to her big sister, the SE630. My new Serger 1034DX.